Hello everybody out there, it's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Math. This is going to be a video about an exercise that you can do at any time of the year, but it's really good for those of you that are on summer break, just to have your students, your kids, just to become real polished with their numbers. So here's what I've done. I've taken some numbers, and actually if you just don't know this, I teach robotics. And with my students' robots, they have certain actions that their robots can do, and they have to know or put on their robot for how long do they want those actions to be. And to be honest, on the robots, they can only go up in increments of 1, 2, 5, 10, 20. There's actually a 60. But I just want to work with these numbers right off the bat, because my students each day, they have to figure out if I want my robot to go forward for 7 seconds, how do I figure out 7 if there is no 7 here? So they have to figure out, oh, okay, I can use a 5 plus a 2, or I could use a 5 plus 2 1s to make 7. So this might be fun with your kids or your students, especially again over the summer, to just get them to have good number practice. Just give them a number that they have to look at these numbers and go, okay, what am I using? So for instance, ready? I'm going to throw this number out here. 19. What would you guys use to make 19? Don't let me beat you. I would use a 10, I would use a 5, and I would use 4 1s. Okay? But what you want to do is you want to see your kids or your students just become real fast at this. Okay, ready? I'll do another one. How would you make 31? Don't let me beat you. I would use a 20, a 10, and I would use a 1. But if your kids or students are not fast at this, or maybe they just need help problem solving this would be just a great way to have them practice their numbers. You might even, just thinking about this, make it more fun and say, hey, how many different ways can you make a certain number? So ready? How many ways can you make 6? I can do a 5 plus a 1. I can do a 2. Now, obviously, you can cut up more numbers, but they could have said maybe 2 and, the 4 1s here. But if, you run out of numbers, you can always make more. So it's just a cool learning thing, and just a good way for your students or kids to practice over the summer. Okay, I'll do one more just before I leave. Are you ready? Make 13. Ready? Go. I would do the 10 plus a 2 plus a 1. And it's going to be probably amazed how fast they can get if they just keep practicing this. All right, guys, hopefully you found that helpful and something you might want to try with your kids or students over the summer, or just at any time of the year. Okay, I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Math. I will catch you on my next video. Bye.